Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a new listener or a watcher, welcome to this channel. And if you're returning, thank you again for watching our videos. And I want to encourage you to like and subscribe to this video for more content like this. In today's video, we'll be looking at interval scale of measurement. In previous videos, we've looked at nominal and ordinal scale of measurement. If you want a recap on that, you can go back to watch those videos. In today, we'll be looking at the interval scale of measurement. What is interval scale of measurement? Interval scale of measurement identifies data, it classifies, also it shows equal interval between values. However, whenever we see zero in interval scale of measurement, the zero does not mean that variable lacks that characteristics. Let me give you an example to clarify that. Our temperature is either measured in Celsius or Fahrenheit. So for instance, we have set of data like 0 to 10 Fahrenheit degrees Celsius, from 10 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius, 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. You see that you look at the interval between these numbers, categories of numbers I've given right now. You see that the intervals are the same. They don't change. There's no disparity in the intervals. The intervals are usually the same. But then the 0 degrees Celsius does not mean that that variable does not have temperature in it at all in interval. It is just the 0 there is just for categorization. It doesn't carry a true value. Now let us move on to the basic characteristics of interval scales. One of the basic characteristics is that it measures variable with equal interval. Like I stated that before, and I've stated some examples of variables that we can measure using interval scale, like our temperature, IQ scores, standardized test scores, and so on and so forth. Now, the equal interval between each variable ensures for meaningful comparison of differences. So we can meaningfully, whenever we are measuring, because the intervals are always the same, it allows for meaningful comparison to be made. It also lacks an absolute zero, meaning ratio cannot be calculated on this interval scale of measurement. Also, when intended central tendencies, we can use mean, median, and mode is applicable to this scale of measurement. What is the implication for data analysis when you're measuring on interval scale of measurement? We can use parametric statistical tests like t-test, student t-test, and ANOVA. You can use it. Also, we can do correlation and regression analysis, as the case may be. Also, it supports for advanced statistical technique due to equal interval. This is all that we have for today. Look out for the next video where we'll be discussing the last scale of measurement, which is the ratio. For now, bye bye and see you later.